51. In association with which union ministry, the Ministry of Tourism has implemented Adopt a Heritage scheme? A. Ministry of Coal, Ministry of Ayush, Ministry of Culture, both A and B. So 51, it is Ministry of Culture, option C. Next question. This state is about to bring a comprehensive transformation in health sector? A. Jammu and Kashmir, B. Mumbai, C. Karnataka, D. Kerala. Answer is, it is C. Karnataka. Which state has launched Kisan Fasal Rahat Yojana? Odisha, Jharkhand, Bihar, Maharashtra. Answer is Jharkhand. Next 54. Which state deployed 2 helicopters to fight wildfire in Zukau Valley? Mumbai, Rajasthan, Manipur, Tamil Nadu. Answer is C. Manipur. Next question. Who has become a member of IOSCO? IDBI, IFSCA, WHO, TCL. Answer is IFSCA. Next, remission of duties and taxes on exported products scheme will be in effect from which date? 1st January 2021, 30 December 2020, 31st January 2021, 5th January 2021. Answer is A. 1st January 2021. Which union territory has bagged the award for the best performing union territory in India for implementing the PMAY? Andaman and Nicobar, Jammu and Kashmir, Port Blair, Puducherry. So 57, it is Puducherry. Pradhan Mantri Atal Yojana. Next one. Which bank has issued the electoral bonds as of December 2020? HDFC Bank, SBI, BOI, Bank of India, RBI, Reserve Bank of India, SBI, State Bank of India. Answer is, it is SBI, State Bank of India. Next question. In which mountains butterfly trackers help lift the mystery surrounding rare butterflies? Himalayas, Nilgiris, Western Ghats, Anjaniri. 59, it is Nilgiris. Who has released the report on trend and progress of banking in India 2019-2020? DBS Bank, IMF, World Bank, RBI. Answer is RBI. Next question. Which country's nuclear power generation breaks the Soviet record? India, Russia, UK, China. Answer is, it is B. Russia. Kerala became which member state to pass the resolution against formula? 5th, 4th, 6th and 7th. So answer is 5th. Next question. Which state will host the 14th Global Healthcare Summit in 2021? Andhra Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Sikkim and Goa. 63, it is Andhra Pradesh. Next question. Which Indian missile has got the approval from Cabinet for export? A. Helena, B. Nag, C. Prithvi, D. Akash. Answer is D. Akash. Which state has registered 8% growth in GST revenue in December 2020? Mumbai, Delhi, Kerala, Manipur. 65, it is Kerala. Next question. India has launched flash flood guidance services for which countries? Bangladesh, Bhutan, Nepal, all of above. Answer is all of above. So all 3 countries. Next question. Which state government has announced green rebate for eco-friendly homes amid slew of new measures? Delhi, Kerala, Karnataka, Mumbai. 67, it is Kerala. Next, government has published the draft model standing orders for which sectors? Manufacturing sector, mining sector, service sector, all of above. 68, it is all of above. Manufacturing, mining and service sector. The government has created a new DMA in the MOD. Who is the head of DMA? Deepika Padukone, Katrina Kaif, Sonakshi Sinha, Bipin Rawat. 69, it is Bipin Rawat. Next, 17th question. Which road is to be widened in Kerala? A. Bodimettu, Kundanur, Ernakulam, SN Junction, Puthotta, Mumbai Pune Highway, Valayar Thrissur, Idapalli. Answer is, it is B. SN Junction, Puthotta. Who has launched India's first remote monitoring system of gas turbines? BPCL, IOCL, ONGC and EOL. Answer is, it is B. Indian Oil Corporation Limited. So if you like the video, please like it, try to share it with your friends and family members. Don't forget to subscribe.